You got to work it in there. Okay?
All right.
Just by pulling down and moving the pliers in a circular motion.
We got 3 down, 1 to go.
A little differently than what the instructions say.
Down to the last one.
Make sure we put that in there. That's not how the instructions say. This is the way I do it.
This is the way JC does it.
Yeah. Because I don't have that much spit.
Tired we are.
I don't want to. I really don't want to take, 10 years. I figure doing it this way, the worst that could happen is you may have to replace them more often. But I haven't had to replace them yet, and it's been over a year. So, I'm good. If I have to buy a set every 2 years, I'm good.
At least the hole is already there.
Yeah. Okay. Is this the wider one? Yeah.
In here with my man JC that installed the rubber baby buggy bumpers for my Honda Goldwing GL 1800. We got the Goldwing put back together. And JC installed the rubber baby buggy bumpers. And he's showing me how to properly close my trunk.
Okay, you want to put some pressure. As you can see the gap now. Okay, the proper gap in your trunk lid is at 1/8 of an inch. In most people's trunk, the lid is sitting right on top of the trunk body. But you can see you got a gap. Okay, now to open it, you release some of the pressure on it.
So you're pressing down when you close?
You're pulling back.
Right, you're kind of pressing, pulling back, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, he took the pressure off the trunk.
And you got a handle, so that makes it easier, because you got a lot of weight on top of yours. Oh yeah. You got to keep forgetting you got arm rest.
All right, he pulled back to get the pressure off the lock before he unlocked it or unlatched it.
Okay. And here they are. They're nice and tight.
Nice and tight. We got 4 rubber baby buggy bumpers. And you said now it's gonna take a while for it to break in.
It'll take a while, but the good thing for you is that it's not winter time.
Okay.
It would be a lot harder. I put mine in with frozen fingers.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, so that rubber's hard when it's frozen.
It's not January.
Right.
Okay. So
we just
gonna set this down on the latch. Okay. Now, because normally you would put your body against the trunk,
right,
and pull back on the backrest. The passenger backrest. But since you have a deflector, and remember the way to close the trunk is to pull back or push back on it, not down. That's how you get damage. So since you have a karaoke or a deflector, we're going to come around front and push yours back. And you can look at your screen.
Okay, yeah, because it shows that the trunk is open now.
Right. Okay, and I'm gonna push on your backrest. Okay, using both hands.
Okay, I heard it snap.
You heard it snap.
Let's look and see.
Yeah. So it's closed now.
It's closed.
Right. Okay, we're gonna do it again. Okay, we're gonna push back on it. Since you got this, you just kind of stand to the side, pull back on it, and release the pressure.
Okay, you pull back to get the pressure off the lock.
Off the latch, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now to close it, set it back down. You can see up there. On mine, because I don't have this, I just stand back and look at the screen. stand here and you can hear it when it latches. That didn't latch that time. There we go.
Okay, I heard it click.
Yeah. And another thing, remember, this is only what, about the third time? So it's not this brand new hard rubber.
Right.
Over time that will soften up.
Okay.
And you can see where your trunk is closed. Yep. You know, that's the way it should be. They're called rubber baby buggy bumpers, and they're made by the people that make Packet Rack.
Okay.
A lot of people have heard of the Packet Rack, and which is a trunk that goes on your trailer hitch. And as it says here, if you ride in, when winter time gets, even after it's broken in, the first winter, you may notice it might get kind of hard again. But that's just normal with the seasons. Okay. And so that's it. And it's a big difference. It's a big difference. Looks a lot better. You don't have to worry about the trunk sagging anymore. You know. I wish I'd known about this 5 years ago.
Pull it back.
Okay.
Pressure
See
off.
how much easier it was?
Yeah. Just let it rest.
If you got long arms, you can try it that way. That did it.
Let's check the. I want to check to see if the trunk actually shows closed. I heard it click,
Yeah.
but I'm going to check to see if it actually shows that the trunk is closed. Okay, it's showing closed.
Yep.
Let's do this one more time. Pull it back. Pressure off. Okay, it's showing open. Close. I'm just gonna lay it down like so. Put my body into it.
There you go.
That's it.
Perfect.
And as you said, it'll loosen up over time.
Yeah.
Once it heats up and the rubber becomes a little bit broken in,
More
it'll
pliable.
be easier to close.
Yeah.
So.
Man,
Snap.
it seems like it's kind of loosening up a little bit already.
So this would be the perfect setup for my Dalco bag. Already got the straps in place.
What do you call those? Rocket?
These are called
Rock straps?
they're called rock straps. I'm gonna feed them through the latches. Real simple setup. Only takes just a second to install them. So if anytime I want to take a road trip and I do not want to pull my trailer, snap on my trunk bag, stretch out my rock straps, she's ready to go.
Looks good. I like
good.
that. That's a Dalco
Got a lock on it.
iron. Oh, you got your lock.
Yeah, it's got a little lock on it.
Okay. Yeah. Iron rider, iron biker. Yeah. Okay.
As you can see, I just got a rain suit in here, so you know you don't want to carry too much weight on your trunk. Okay. I guess I was taking into account my rubber baby buggy bumper.
Really? That takes some pressure off. That does take some pressure off.
I'm gonna open it up. I'm just gonna reach over. As you can see, it's showing open. Okay.
Hold on.
Lower it down.
Yep. You're an old pro
Trunk is
now.
closed. So I appreciate JC for helping me out. If you guys have any questions or any comments, be sure to put them down in the comment section below. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is your boy Chris out in the Caliente garage. And I will talk to you guys later. See you.